Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to talk about Cider AI website versus Monica, okay? So I'm going to talk about the features of each website and what it offers, and at the end, I'm going to tell you what works better for you. So in order to know which website is going to work better for you, all you need to do is to complete watching this video till the end, okay? And also keep in mind that I will leave you the link of these websites in the description so you can go and check them. Okay, so now I'm going to my laptop to show you each website and the features of each website. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna start with Cider AI website. So once you're gonna open this website, you're gonna find this homepage, and here, as you can see, you have a chatbot, so you can ask anything. As I said here, what would you like to research? So for example, for anything, like anything, for example, just an example. Cider AI is working as a chatbot, and the best important thing, which is it has so many other features that you can't find, for example, on ChatGPT or DeepSeek, for example. So here it's working like ChatGPT, but now let's go and see what's making Cider AI special. Okay, so what you need to do is to download the extension of Cider AI. For me, I already did. For you, if you don't know how to do it, is you need to click on add to Chrome if you have Google Chrome browser. But if you have other browser, all you need to do is to click on the same button, and you're gonna download this extension and you're gonna have it in your browser. So for me, I already did. I added on my Chrome. So let's go to Cider AI. That's it. So I'm gonna click on it. Okay, so it's open now. So here you have a chatbot, like as I showed you. You can ask anything and it will answer. And here you have the option of think. So before you send an answer, you can activate it, because sometimes chatbots give you some mistakes, so they can avoid this. They did this option of think, so the chatbot can really analyze your question, and then he will make sure to give you the exact correct answer. Okay, so there are so many other features. For example, let's click on this 3-point, and here you can translate anything by clicking on translate. Here you have OCR, you have grammar, so you can correct grammar mistakes, for example. And you have so many other tools, for example, Chat PDF. Let's click on Chat PDF. All you need to do is to click on upload, and if you have any PDF, you can upload it here. For example, if you are a student, you can click on your file where you have, for example, your exams or something like this, and you can ask the chatbot about anything and he will answer you. And here you have YouTube summarizer. So by clicking on YouTube summarizer, for example, you have a video where you want it to be summarized, you can just enter the link of the YouTube video and it will summarize the content without the need to watch the whole video, especially for videos that are very long. For example, it will take you 1 hour to watch or 30 minutes. It's so much time. So it will help you to summarize the content. And there are so many other tools. For example, AI essay writer. So it can write you an essay very easily and very fast. Okay, here you have AI translator, image translator. For example, if you have an image, or if you are traveling in a country where you don't understand the language, you can just upload that image and it will translate it to your native language. Here you have PDF translator. It's the same thing. It will translate the PDF to any language. You have AI image generator, background remover for your pictures, photo eraser, background changer, and so many other features. So if you want to make your life easier and save a lot of time, you can simply go to these tools and it will help you save your time. Okay, and it will do so many tasks for you. But before to go to Monica, I want to tell you something important that I forgot to say, which is, for example, if you ask something in the chatbot, you can click on switch model, and you can choose, for example, DeepSeek answer, or ChatGPT, or Claude, or Gemini. So it depends on you. Okay, so you can like get different answers from each platform, so you can like compare each answer. Okay, so this is Monica website. It's the same thing. They have an extension, so once you're gonna open their website, you're gonna find add extension or download it, and then download it, and you're gonna find it here. Okay, Monica. Okay, it's the same thing. You're gonna find a lot of tools here. For example, chatbot, so you can ask anything in the chatbot. Okay, so you got an answer and you want to compare it to other websites like ChatGPT or Gemini or DeepSeek. All you need to do is to click on switch bot, and you can choose the best spot for you. For example, DeepSeek, get an answer, then get another answer from ChatGPT and compare all the answers. So it's the same thing as Cider AI. Okay, and here you can go to image. Okay, and you can, for example, generate images from this tool. Okay, so all you need to do is to describe the image that you want and click on confirm, and like this it will generate you this image. Okay, so it's a great tool. You don't have to be good in design to generate images or to edit them. You can just describe it and it will generate it for you. So now you have also video generation, so just describe it and describe what you want in the video and it will generate it for you with one click. And also there are another design tools that you can use that's gonna make your design experience very easy. Okay, so for example, if you want logo, you can choose this asset type and choose logo. If you want mobile wallpaper, you can click on it, poster, and then you can describe the image or the logo that you want for poster and click on confirm and it will generate it for you. And you have other tools like image editor, real-time canvas, etc. Okay, and now let's go to video, and here you can convert text to video. For example, you have a script and you want to convert it into a video, so you can use this tool in order to convert it. And here you have image to video, so you can convert your image into video, okay, with AI using Monica, which is a great tool. And here you can like add creative effects in your video. For example, you have a video and you want to add some effects, you can simply use this tool and you can create effects, for example, like this effect here. So these are the effects and you can create like them without need to be expert in editing video. And here we have audio also, for example, AI podcasts. You can get AI podcasts by just giving them the text and it will generate an AI podcast. Here you have recording, so let's click on recording. And all you need to do is to click on start recording, start talking, and it will transform it into text, okay, which is so good and it's for free. This is the best part. Now there are some other more tools, like for example in writing, like grammar check, so they can check if you have any mistakes in grammar. You have translate, like Cider AI is the same thing. You have chat with PDF, you have mind map, you have for example AI humanizer, toolbox, writing agent, so it's the same tools as Cider AI. As you can see guys, Monica also offers a good and amazing tools, and here I can tell you, if you want same tools that are on Monica, you can use it on Cider AI. Is better because it's very easy in using compared to Monica. But if you want something more advanced, for example image editing or video editing or audio editing for enhancing your designs or videos or your audio, you can use Monica because you won't find like these effects on Cider AI. Okay, so now let's start with Cider AI in pricing. So you can get the basic plan for $5.8 per month, and you can get data analysis, YouTube summary, AI image generator, file link chat, deep research, AI read aloud, smart web access, audio to text. Okay, and here you have pro plan, which is going to cost you $12.4 per month, and you're going to get data analysis, YouTube summary, AI image generator, file link chat, deep research, AI read aloud, smart web access, AI video shortener, and audio text. And you can get also unlimited plan for $12.5, and I think it's affordable compared to the services that they offer, because it's gonna really make your life easier and it's gonna save you a lot of time. And for Monica, they have 3 plans. One is for free, it's completely for free, you can use it for free. For example, 40 accesses to basic models daily, like ChatGPT, like Claude, like DeepSeek, and also a limited trial for image video generation, so it's limited trial. And you can get basic model driven smart writing, translation, and summary, and limited trial for chat PDF. Okay, so here I want to mention something, which is if you want to use these tools like writing, and translation and summary, and you don't want to pay Cider AI, you can use it here on Monica for free. So here where I can tell you that you can use Monica if you don't have a budget to pay Cider AI and you want only these 3 tools for free, you can go to Monica and use it and save that money. Okay, and we have the Pro plan. It's costing $99 per year, so you have 5,000 access to basic models monthly and 200 accesses to advanced models monthly, and you have image and video generations. So all the image and video generation you can get it with this plan, and advanced model driven smart writing, translation, summary, and chat with PDF, and 1,500 advanced credits, and application integration, like you can integrate it with Gmail, with Outlook, with Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and also cross-platform AI assistant. And we have the unlimited plan that is going to cost you $149 per year. Okay, and you can get all the tools for unlimited use, and this was the pricing compared to Cider AI. So as you can see, guys, if you want advanced tools in image and video generation, or in image editing and video editing, here when you need to consider Monica. But if you want just some other basic tools and chatbot, you can use Cider AI. So this was the video. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and also I will leave you the link of Monica and Cider AI in the description. So just click on them so you can go to these websites directly, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.